So the first question of exercise 14.4. The following number of goals were scored by a team in a series of 10 matches. So 10 matches, these are the number of goals. So first match 2 goals, second match 3 goals and so on. Like this data is recorded for 10 matches. Now you have to find mean, median and mode for these scores. So mean is nothing but the average. So you will add up all these scores, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and so on, divided by total 10 matches are there, so divide by 10. So the answer will be 28 by 10, which is 2.8. Second thing which we have to find for the same data is median. Data is same. So first step is to arrange the given data in ascending order. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. If something is repeated, you have to write that many number of times. So 4 times 3 is repeated, 2 times 4 is repeated and then 5. Now here we have got number of observations as 10. Now 10 is an even number. So there will be 2 middlemost values. Now there is a formula given. This formula, if you want to use, you can use, but at times this can be confusing. Now why it can be confusing is because it is written n by second observation, n by 2. 10 by 2 is 5. Fifth observation plus n by 2 plus 1. N by 2 plus 1 is 5 plus 1, that is sixth observation divided by 2. Now at times a common mistake that is made by the students is they will do 5 plus 6 by 2 and that is 11 by 2, which is not the answer. 11 by 2 is nowhere close to the central value which we are looking at. It is not 5 plus 6 by 2. It is fifth observation plus sixth observation divided by 2. So from here you have to check which is the fifth observation. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Which is the sixth observation? Again 3. So it will be 3 plus 3 by 2. Or it will be 6 by 2, which is 3. So for more, again if you arrange in ascending order, it will be easy for you to find out if there is any frequently occurring observation or not. So here when you arrange it in that order, you will find that 3 is occurring most frequently, that is 4 times. So the mode is 3.